Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most bold and futuristic electric trucks on the market, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV. If you thought the Hummer was gone for good, think again. It's back, it's electric, and it's more capable than ever. Let's start with the exterior. This thing is a beast. The design is aggressive and squared off, staying true to its rugged roots, but with a modern EV twist. Signature LED lighting stretches across the front, including a light-up Hummer badge that looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. Massive tires, skid plates, and a high ground clearance make it clear this isn't just a showpiece. It's built for serious off-road action. Performance, absolutely wild. The Hummer EV offers up to 1,000 horsepower in its top trim and can hit 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds, thanks to GM's Ultium battery platform. It also features CrabWalk mode, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally, a game-changer for tight trails or tricky parking spots. Four-wheel steering, adaptive air suspension, and up to 13 inches of suspension travel make it one of the most capable EVs off-dash road. Inside, the Hummer EV feels futuristic yet functional. You get a large digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen with off-road widgets, over-the-air updates, and even a lunar-themed interface. It's tough, techy, and surprisingly comfortable. And here's the kicker, the price. Depending on the trim, you're looking at anywhere between $80,000 to over $110,000. That's premium, but so is the experience. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Hummer EV the future of off-road power? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, because up next on AutoTime Reviews, we've got another thrilling new car review you won't want to miss.